Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see more basic curves. First, now we will have the ellipse. So the basic equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So if we remember the 4 rules to draw the curve, if you remember that rules, we have x square plus y square and the coefficient of x is also positive and coefficient of y is also positive, then it will always be ellipse. So this ellipse will be something like this. In this ellipse we have assumed that a is greater than b. Okay, so this point will be a comma 0, this point will be minus a comma 0, this point will be 0 comma b, this point will be b comma 0. So this is the basic ellipse curve. You should remember, when we put x equal to a cos theta and we put y equal to b sin theta, we will get r equal to 1. R equal to 1 represents the equation of ellipse in polar coordinate. After ellipse we have hyperbola. So the equation of hyperbola is exactly similar as of ellipse, but instead of plus here we will have minus. So this hyperbola will look something like this. So this point will be a comma 0, this point will be minus a comma 0. Okay, so this is our hyperbola. Then we have two more hyperbolas, that is rectangular hyperbola. So the equation of rectangular hyperbola is xy equal to c square or xy equal to minus of c square. So now if you see, the multiplication of two terms is positive. When is the multiplication of two terms is positive? When both the terms are positive or both the terms are negative. So this is our positive x-axis, this is our positive y-axis. So one curve will exist here because product of two terms is positive. So positive x into positive y will always be positive. And when both the terms are negative, so this is our negative x and this is our negative y. So this curve will also exist here because minus x and minus y will be plus something. So this is a rectangular hyperbola. Then we have xy equal to minus c square. So the product of two term is negative. When is the product of two term is negative? When one is positive and second is negative. When first is negative and second is positive. So here we have positive x, positive y, negative x, negative y. So we need positive and negative combination. So here it is y positive x negative. So the one curve will be here and the second curve will be here. So this is the rectangular hyperbola xy equal to minus c square. So these are the hyperbolas you should remember. Then we have the other Cartesian curves. First is cubic parabola. We know what is cubic parabola. The equation is ay square equal to x cube. So equation is quadratic in one variable and it is cubic in x. Whenever we have this equation, these equations are symmetric about x-axis. Okay. So this equation will be, this curve will be symmetric about x-axis and the cubic parabola is something like this. Okay, so this is our cubic parabola.